Hello everyone. Welcome to this short class. Today I'm going to talk about Creative Fabrica AI contest. You can win up to 100,000 in prizes by creating images with CF Spark. Yeah, here it is. And I know people who have won prizes from here. No, in October and the November one, they won prizes. Amazing. You can participate. Okay. You have to go to Creative Fabrica and open an account. If you have a free account, you won't be able to participate. You have to have a paid account. It's $9 a month, and when you design images and you publish them, you will automatically enter into the contest. Okay. Create anything you can imagine. The designs with the most downloads 7 days after launching will win. So if you design something on December the 1st, on December the 8th, all the downloads after December the 8th will count as will count in the contest. I hope you can understand. Your image should be 7 days old. After it's 7 days old and people are downloading it, all the images that are 7 days old and people are downloading them, they will count the amount of people that are downloading them. The one with the most downloads, those will win. Okay. If you need inspiration, you can go to the community creations. Let's go to the community creations. You can see what people create, and you can also create them. I think this one was a winning. It's a winning image. This one is also a winning image. I don't know much about them. I think this one was also a winning image. And the image that won this month is a simple image, the most simple image on this platform. One. I don't see it now, but that image won. It was so nice to see. Um, Let me go here. Let me see if I can find the winners. Last month winners. Let's see if that will come. I don't think it will come up. I think they took it down already. Let's go back here. Yes, we are here. To participate, you see here the contest is open to everyone worldwide. You need to publish your design between December the 1st and December the 31st. For this month, you need to publish your design in the whole month of December until December the 31st. You need to have an active Spark art creation account subscription. That's $9 a month. And you can cancel it anytime, like they say. If you win a grand prize, you agree to record a recorded Zoom video with a creative fabric employee, and they will use it for promotional purposes and all that. Yeah. You see here the winner will be decided. Very simple. We will look at which design has the most downloads 7 days after being published. So when your image is 7 days old and people start downloading at that period, all the images that are 7 days old and the downloads after their 7 days will be counted. Free downloads from free trial will not be counted, so um you have to pay to participate. This way, it doesn't matter if you publish a design on the 1st of December, 5th, or the 20th, we will only count the first 7 days after publishing. Like I told you, um, who can download and how can. When you create something with CF Spark, it will only be visible to you. If you choose to publish, the creation will become available to the community. From this moment, it is eligible to participate for the 100K. So if you create it and you don't publish it, it won't count. In order to download the creation, users will need an all access subscription. Whenever a user downloads your creation, it will count for 1 point. It's as simple as that. You can increase your chances to win by sharing your creation. You can share with your direct friends, but you can also share on Facebook groups, your blog, forums, and wherever you are allowed to share. What you can win. In total, there will be 47 winners. Yeah, you see, first prize can win 20,000. Second prize, 10,000. Third to seven, 5,000 each. 8 to 17, 2,500. So there's you can be lucky and win. And the thing to do is to share your publish it, create it, publish it, and share it on social media. Share it wherever you can share it. You share it for others to download so that they can download it. And the winners will be announced on the 8th of January on this page. So you can come back on this page and see who the winners are. Um, I am participating. I haven't won yet, but I know people who won, and that was so amazing, so amazing. It's something to look into. Create your designs and post them. Okay, let me tell you this. People will download designs that they can use, designs that are beautiful, that they can use it for cards, maybe to create notebooks, maybe to put on shirts or put on mugs. Useful designs, like I said. For instance, a design like this, I don't know if I would use it. You need to determine in which what your customer love. If you're in a Facebook group, what they love in that Facebook group. If you are on uh, um TikTok, what your followers of TikTok love, what they love, what you think they need. Create those images and post it on there and tell them, go download, sign up and download, so that you can collect points. Yeah, and that's what I'm doing. I haven't won yet, but that's what I'm doing. And I want to take this opportunity really quick to show you my creations. Let me see this thing really quick. No, not here. I'll go to community. I want to search. Yeah, search creations. Okay, and I'll put mine in my name. And all my creations will come up. This is all that I designed. All this that I designed. And I have a class where I teach you how to design these. Let me see. Yeah, a class where I teach you how to design these, how to put the prompts together, the words that you need to use to get those. You see here, let me show you. You see here, the girls have curly hair and pink and lavender. You see here, so that means I'm using the same prompt to run them. You see the two girls, these boys. Look at the boys. Look at them carefully. Beautiful, beautiful. So I have a class that I teach to show you how you can create these designs. And when you create the designs, I believe that you have the copyright to them. You have the copyright. You own them. Yeah, yeah. If you take my class, I showed you how I designed these. I even show you my prompts, how I designed these, what I put together to get them. And I'll show you how to think. You have to have a kind of mindset. If you're a crafter, if you're an artist, actually, if you're a mom, moms have like a brain as no other, as nobody else. If you're a mom, you have kids. If you're a mom, you raise kids. You will know exactly how what I tell you, how to create them. You will know exactly, especially when creating those babies. A mom will know exactly. So I want to encourage you to take my class if you want to learn, and I'll show you how to put prompts together, how where to look for the right words, where to look for the different scenes and stuff, so that you can get good prompts. I'm telling you. And Like if I share prompts with you, actually I share prompts with you. If I share prompts with you, you don't have to be afraid. You will never get the same image that I get. You will get like a sort of this image. Let me show you. If I share this prompt with you, like this girl right here, you see the other girls below. You can get one of them. You can get one of them. You can get girls in the same kind of style, but they will never be the same. AI, when AI run, when you run it, you ignite it, two images are never the same. Even if you get the same person again, the same person will have another facial expression, and it doesn't happen. It happens to me once because I run it like second after another, and I got the same guy. I don't know if I have him here. It was so funny. And I was so happy. I shared it on social media. Okay, if you're interested in taking my class, I'm willing to show you. I love these girls. They are so cute. Look at their cute faces. Yeah, you will learn. I will show you exactly what I do, and how to use the resources and how to put them together. You see the very beautiful kids. Look at the twins right there. Okay, if you're interested, take my class and design and enter into this competition. Who knows, you might win. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, thank you.